Okay, so I'm going to go over the color writing for Beowulf number 4. This is the battle with Grendel's mother. I'm going to go ahead and do this with you as an example. So obviously I want to put my name on it. Make sure you have your colored pens, your red, blue, and green pens. I don't have a class period, so I'm just going to put all because I teach all of them. And this is Beowulf Summary 4 because this is the fourth section. Summarize what happened in this section of Beowulf. Use text evidence to support your answer or your summary. Text evidence means quotes from the story that you have to actually copy word for word, so copy. Alright, so we'll get to that when we get to the concrete detail. So you're going to summarize what happened in this section of Beowulf. So in this section of Beowulf, and then you need to tell me something that happened in this section of Beowulf. So you obviously had to either read it on your own or watched my video discussing this battle with Grendel's mother. I'm going to say in this section of Beowulf, Grendel's mother, I'll put it up there so you can see it, is defeated by Beowulf. Okay, so there you go. In this section of Beowulf, Grendel's mother is defeated by Beowulf. Now, this is an example. Do not copy this and turn it in for yourself. This is my answer to this question. This question is asking me what happened in this section of Beowulf. So I'm saying the answer. This is what happened in this section of Beowulf, is that Grendel's mother is defeated. So now I have to find something in the story. So I have to go in here into the story and find something, find some words that show that Grendel's mother is defeated. And that's what those words are, what I'm going to write here. Okay? So I'm going to use right here. I'm on page 59. I'll zoom in. Right here on page 59, line 523. Broke bones and all, her body fell to the floor lifeless. That's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use her body fell to the floor. So here I'm going to copy this. Alright, her body fell is what I'm going to write first. Quotation marks. Her body fell. And then the rest of it, to the floor, comma, lifeless. To the floor. I'll put it over there. Lifeless. So there's my quote. Her body fell to the floor, lifeless. And I took those exact words from the book. Now I have to put quotation marks at the end. Now look, right here, her body, that's the beginning of a sentence, so I can just have quotation marks. But look at the end, her body fell to the floor lifeless, and then it keeps going until there's a period. So because I didn't use all of those words, I have to put these dots, these three little dots, to say that I left out part of the original quote. Alright, so now this quote right here, this is proving or showing that Grendel's mother is defeated. Okay, it's showing this, so they go together. Now remember, you have to find something that shows the whatever you wrote up here. You have to find it in the story, so you have to actually write down and copy those words out of the story of Beowulf. So that's why you need your book. Okay. Now next is the green. This is where you're going to explain this quote right here and how it connects with your blue sentence at the top. So I'm just going to explain what happened. Beowulf defeats Grendel's mother by cutting off her head. So I just explained why she fell to the floor like lifeless. How did that happen? What did Beowulf do? Here, I'll put it this way so you can see it. Let me zoom out. Beowulf defeats Grendel's mother by cutting off her head. Okay, so I've explained, so I'm explaining this. So explain your quote. What is this showing? Okay, so this goes together. Alright, now I'm going to do the same thing all over again. I'm just going to explain it one more time. I'm going to say Beowulf uses a massive sword made by giants to kill Grendel's mother. So there you go. So this again goes with this red, this red up here, connects together, so they all go together. So you're taking your red and you're explaining it. You're explaining it. Why? So what happened? Why is this important? Okay, why is this quote important? What does this quote show? So that's what you're doing with the green. So why is it important? What does it show? Alright, and then your only thing left is your conclusion sentence. So you're back to your blue. And you're going to say, in conclusion. And then what you're going to do here is you're going to come up with something that kind of like goes back to this first sentence at the top. Now you don't want to just copy it over again, but you want to find a way to kind of restate it, to kind of reorder the words, if you will, so that it kind of like summarizes it, all together. So in conclusion, I'm going to say Beowulf was successful in killing Grendel's mother. There you go. In conclusion, Beowulf is successful in killing Grendel's mother. So this blue goes with this one at the top. I don't think I can zoom it. I can't go out anymore. But the blues go together, so I'll try to do it. So this blue goes all the way up and connects to this one. So this goes with this one. Okay, they're not copied. Alright, you have to reword. Alright, so if you're having trouble with this and you don't understand how to do it, then please let me know. I will help you. Also, you need to make sure you have periods, so make those periods dark and good. Periods everywhere. So here, look, I don't have a period here. I would have gotten points off of my own paper. Period there. And then that is red. I just made it really dark. And then my green periods. Alright. And then my last blue one down here. Make sure that they're all visible. Okay, so if you have any questions or you don't understand or you need help with any of the color writing, please let me know. This again is due today, so make sure you turn it in, make sure your name's on it. If you have any questions, please come see me. Thank you.